Hello again from Orhem Naturistbad. Yep, that means that this is a nudist beach in the Orhem neighborhood out on Lake Drevviken. And I have visited this beach 2 times before, and the most recent one was 11 days ago on my beach day 186, which was 12th of November. Back then it was 3 degrees in the air and 7 degrees in the lake. And we're gonna find out what has changed over the course of 11 days, since I have been doing some ice baths on the smaller lakes which were frozen. This lake, Drevviken, is bigger, and I thought that some parts must have been frozen, but not yet. So, and that makes sense because 11 days ago it was 7 degrees in the water. We're gonna find out how much it is today. The weather took for a turn for the better, and right now it's 5 degrees Celsius, and we had lots of sun until I came here, but now the clouds are over dominating. So 5 degrees warmer than yesterday. And yesterday on my beach adventure I was in Magilungen and a lake in Farsta Strandbad, and the lake was completely frozen almost. So I'm thinking if it is still frozen or not, we can find out in the next few days. But this is beach day 197, so we are slowly but steadily approaching towards the end of the beach season in Sweden this year. So I feel happy about it, that the weather is on my side, at least for the last few beach days. So this Orhem Naturistbad is part of the Flatten Nature Reserve, and Flatten Lake is very close to this spot. And this spot is noted as a Naturistbad on Google Maps, but I'm not sure if it is, but I'm just gonna go with what it says on Google Maps. All right, see, last time here we have some grass next to the coast, next to the entrance. So let's check the temperature today first before we dive in. And this is an interesting stick here. What we can see from this perspective is parts of Huddinge municipality and the neighborhood called Large Boda, right on the other side, and of course Hökerengen. We can see that's part of Stockholm, and also Handal on this lake, Drevviken. So yes, very warm today compared to yesterday. I almost got sweat on the bicycle ride over here. Okay, let's see what we are dealing with. 4 degrees Celsius, is it? Somewhere between 3 and 4, but we're gonna round up to 4 degrees Celsius on this happy sunny day. 5 in the air, 4 in the lake, so it will take a while for this lake to be frozen. But bear in mind that I have been doing lots of ice skating on this lake as well, so this lake will freeze for sure in the high winter months, probably December and January. We shall see, depending how the weather goes. Okay, so I'm a bit sad that I can't show you more of the sun, because it was sunny previously and on my way to here. So you can see that in the beginning of this video. Okay, time for a quick dip. To be fair, even though it's 5, it feels like colder because the wind is blowing. So it is what it is. Okay. Okay, we are taking a dip very soon. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So nice. So nice and refreshing. Yet a bit warmer than usual, because it was 1 to 2 degrees in the last few days in the frozen lake. Here it is 4, so that's good. Yes, hope you enjoyed this 3rd episode, I think, from Orhem Naturistbad on my channel. And it's actually a popular one because there is lots of views on the videos that they post from the nudist beaches. So let's keep up that way. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!